Learning objectives. In this lesson, you would be learning about acquiring data, duplicating data, and recovering deleted files and the following in details. Recovering deleted files and deleted partitions, deleting files, recycle bin, data recovery in Linux, recovering deleted files, deleted file recovery tools, recovering deleted partitions, deleted partition recovery tools, data acquisition and duplication. Recycle bin. Recycle bin is a location. Recycle bin is like a folder where deleted files are temporarily stored. It can found in PC, it can also found in laptops. Allows users to recover files that have been deleted in Windows. By default, Microsoft Windows 95 and above uses 10% of available disk space to save any deleted files. If any file has been deleted in Windows, it is automatically moved to the recycle bin. Users can identify if files are in the recycle bin by looking at the recycle bin icon. By default, the icon will look like icon to the right, an empty recycle bin. When the files have been deleted, the recycle bin will be full of trash. View deleted files in recycle bin. If the recycle bin is full, users can view the files in the recycle bin by double-clicking the recycle bin icon. If you want to modify how much space Windows used to store deleted files for all drives or independently, you can right-click on the recycle bin icon and click Properties. In the recycle bin Properties window, you can adjust how much space the recycle bin takes by dragging the slider left to right, or completely disable the recycle bin feature. Empty the recycle bin. To empty the recycle bin, right-click the recycle bin icon, then click Empty Recycle Bin. How do I know if the recycle bin is empty? When the recycle bin is empty, it shows an icon of recycle bin with no trash, an icon with trash when it is still full. Also, when empty, the message "This folder is empty" is shown when you open the recycle bin. Should I empty the recycle bin? If you feel that none of the files in the recycle bin will ever need to be restored, it is recommended that you empty the recycle bin at your convenience. When should I empty the recycle bin? Anytime you want to clean the contents of your hard drive, or when you are running out of disk space, it is recommended you empty the recycle bin. To view recovered files from the recycle bin, just use the right click of the mouse. Recovering a deleted file from the Windows recycle bin. Get to the desktop where you can see the recycle bin icon. If there is any file in the recycle bin, the icon should appear with trash in the bin. Double-click the recycle bin icon to open the window displaying all files in the recycle bin. Highlight the files you want to restore, right-click the file and then select the Restore option. This will restore the file from the original location it was deleted. Trash. Trash computing is a way by which operating systems dispose of unwanted files. It is called recycle bin on Microsoft Windows. Implementations. Mac OS and Mac OS X with Macintosh Finder as trash, or wastebasket in defunct localizations. Microsoft Windows with Windows Explorer as recycle bin. GNOME Linux with Nautilus as trash. KDE Linux with Conqueror and Dolphin as trash. Xface Linux with Tunar as trash. In Microsoft Windows, by right-clicking on the file and then selecting Delete from the menu, selecting the file and then pressing the Delete key, selecting Delete from the task pane in Windows XP, selecting the file and choosing Delete from File menu, by dragging and dropping a file into recycle bin icon. Allows compressing recovered files. This Linux partition recovery software provides option to save the recovered files in a compressed zip folder. With this option of the software, you can either compress each file individually or compress files into a single zip folder. Bonus tools. Stellar Linux data recovery software provides few useful utilities as bonus tools, which can be immensely helpful in protecting your precious data against any impending drive failure. Disk imaging. The software provides a useful option to create image. It also saves the image file of your hard disk or any selected volume. Disk imaging. The image file of your media can help you recover all your precious data in case of volume corruption, deletion, or formatting of the media. Drive cloning. With Stellar Linux data recovery, you can create an extra replica of your hard drive, which can help you recover lost data in case of drive failure. Even with the cloned copy of your hard drive, you can carry on your ongoing works. It can do without any delay over data recovery. Smart. With the Smart feature, the software continuously monitors important parameters of the hard drive. It generates warning messages against any impending drive failure. Smart helps you to protect your data from instances of unexpected hard drive failure. Recover the deleted files. Open Stellar Phoenix Linux recovery software. You can see all the drives physically connected to the system in the left-hand panel. You will also be able to see logical drives under this section of the software. Double-click on the logical drive from which you want to recover the deleted data. Then click on Deleted File Recovery icon. The software will scan and display all the recoverable files in the tree view. Now check mark the files that you want to recover and click on the Recover Selected icon or select Recover Selected from the file menu. Select the destination folder where you want to save the recovered files. Make sure you do not recover the files on the same drive from which you want to recover the data. Then click OK. Receive a data from pen drive. Open Stellar Phoenix Linux data recovery software. You can see all the drives physically connected to the system in the left-hand panel. You will also be able to see logical drives under this section of the software. Double-click on the logical drive from which you want to recover the formatted data. Click on Advanced Scan icon. The software will scan and display all the recoverable files in the tree view. Now click on Recover All. Select the destination folder where you want to save the recovered files. Make sure you do not recover the files on the same drive from which you want to recover the data, then click OK. Recover data from deleted partition. Open Stellar Phoenix Linux data recovery software. You can see all the drives physically connected to the system in the left-hand panel. You will also be able to see logical drives under this section of the software. Double-click on the physical disk displayed in the left pane of the software. Click the first icon, that is, Search for Logical Drives. Then select Advanced Search. As soon as you click the icon, the software will start searching for the lost logical drives. When searching is complete, all the lost drives in the disk will appear in the left pane in tree view under the physical disk. Then double-click on the standard or advanced drive from which you have to recover the lost data. Then click on Advanced Scan icon. The software will scan and display all the recoverable files in the tree view. Now click on Recover All. Select the destination folder where you want to save the recovered files. Make sure you do not recover the files on the same drive from which you want to recover the data, then click OK. Data. Data are manipulated either as values or variables by encoding them into information. Data, which are derived through reason or which are employed in the course of behaving, are collectively called knowledge. Data are typically the results of measurements. It can be visualized as graphs or images. Datum. Datum means an item given. In cartography, geography, nuclear magnetic resonance, and technical drawing, it often refers to a reference datum where from distances to all other data are measured. Meaning of data, information, and knowledge. Data are extracted from information. The knowledge is derived from data. Data are the collections of information. Through information, we acquire knowledge. Data versus information. Benon Davis uses the concept of a sign to distinguish between data and information. Data are symbols while information occurs when the symbols are used to refer to something. Recover lost or deleted files. To recover the lost or deleted files, the best free undelete softwares. Some of the best free undelete software are Recover Free Undelete 360, Mini Tool Partition Recovery, Voice Data Recovery. Recover Free. Conveniently available in a portable version, Recover Free is very easy to use. A wizard asks you what type of files you are looking for and where to search. Then scans your system at speed. FAT, XFAT and NTF file systems are supported. Any files found are listed with previews for images. And you can restore anything you need in a couple of clicks. Undelete 360. Undelete 360 is the free version of a commercial product and so leaves out some useful features, file filtering, previews and so on. These still appear in the interface though, and suggest you upgrade if you ever click on them, which can be annoying. There are no restrictions on the amount or size of the files you can recover. Though and otherwise the program is very simple to use. Point it at a drive, it will scan for deleted files. Then you can view particular file types, JPEGs, PDFs, videos and more by choosing them from a tree. Scanning speed is not great, but Undelete 360 can recover files that other programs. Mini Tool Partition Recovery. Standard undelete programs are perfect for recovering a few files. But you have lost an entire partition, then you will probably benefit from a specialist application like Mini Tool Partition Recovery. The free for personal use program has a wizard-based interface. It makes it very straightforward to use. Point Mini Tool Partition Recovery at the problem drive. Specify the area to be searched and it will scan for the missing partition. A report will let you know what the program has found and you can recover the partition in a few seconds. You don't get a bootable recovery disk here. So, if your system partition is damaged, then Mini Tool Partition Recovery won't help you very much. Otherwise, it provides a quick and easy way to locate and restore lost partitions. Voice Data Recovery. It's hard to imagine how any undelete tool could be simpler than Voice Data Recovery. There are no menus, no complicated options or dialog boxes. All you do is choose a drive, click Scan, and wait as the program locates any deleted files. Select what you need, click Recover, and that's just about it. Voice Data Recovery does seem to work with FAT-based drives, though recovering nothing from our test USB drive. It is only free for personal use. But if you just need something quick and easy to recover files from NTFS drives, then it should probably be on your shop list. How to restore deleted partition. There are 3 steps to restore the deleted partition. Step 1. Scan hard disk for deleted partitions. In this step, first scan the hard disk for deleted partitions. Step 2. Select partition and open Restore Partition dialog. In this step, you have to select the partition and then Restore Partition dialog. Step 3. Set Restore options in Restore Partition dialog and run Restore. Stellar Phoenix Partition Recovery. Professional partition recovery software that works impressively stellar to accomplish the process of recovering lost, deleted, or inaccessible data on Windows-based drives and removable media. Key features of Stellar Phoenix Partition Recovery. Recovers mission-critical files from Windows hard drive and supported external media. Raw recovery feature to flawlessly recover files from severely corrupt media. Recovers deleted emails in MS Outlook and Outlook Express. recovers files from damaged or corrupt optical media. Support for broad range of file types, including documents, photos, and multimedia files. Salient features of this Windows recovery tool: drive recovery, lost partition recovery, raw recovery, optical media recovery, pre-recovery preview of files. Advanced tools. The following are some of the advanced tools: System Startup Disk, Smart, Image Your Hard Disk. Digital forensics. Digital forensics is a branch of forensic science. Sometimes it is known as digital forensic science. It encompassing the recovery and investigation of material found in digital devices, often in relation to computer crime. The term digital forensics was originally used as a synonym for computer forensics, but has expanded to cover investigation of all devices capable of storing digital data. Digital forensic software. The following are the digital forensic software: Forensic Toolkit, Mobile Phone Examiner Plus, MPE Plus, AdLab, Ad Enterprises, Silent Runner Mobile, Digital Encryption, Ad Triage, Live Response. Forensic Toolkit. Overcome case backlog with distributed processing and large-scale real-time collaboration. Mobile Phone Examiner Plus. Built on FTK technology, Ad Enterprise allows you to investigate thousands of computers simultaneously from a remote location. With deep dive analysis of both volatile memory and static data, as well as batch remediation, it's a valuable incident response and enterprise investigation solution. Silent Runner Mobile. Silent Runner network forensic software operates like a surveillance camera on your network. It monitors, captures, and replays network communications for investigations and incident response. Digital decryption. Locked out, get back in. Password recovery toolkit and distributed network attack are relied on by Fortune 500 corporations, law enforcement, and government agencies to recover passwords from more than 100 applications. Our decryption software is a key to cracking it. Ad Triage. Ad Triage is a portable solution. It allows on-scene forensic acquisition of volatile and static data. It can be used on both live and shutdown computers. It is the ideal solution for field examiners, first responders, and even non-technical personnel. Live Response. Live Response is a USB key. It enables first responders, investigators, and IT security professionals used to collect the live volatile data, which will be lost once the computer system is shut down. Investigation tools. The following are the digital forensic investigation tools for system admins: SANS-SIFT, Pro Discover Basic, Volatility, the Sleuth Kits, Plus Autopsy, FTK Imager, Linux DD, Kane, Oxygen Forensic Suite 2013 Standard, Pre-Hex Edited Neo, Bulk Extractor, DEFT, Explico, Last Activity View, Digital Forensic Framework, Mandiant Redline, Plain Sights, HXD, Helix 3 Free, NetSleuth, P2 Explorer Free. Digital Forensics Framework. The abbreviation of Digital Forensics Framework is DFF. DFF is a free and open source computer forensics software. It built on top of a dedicated application programming interface (API). Stellar Phoenix Linux Data Recovery. Data recovery software. Linux is a data recovery software. It helps you to recover lost or inaccessible data. It recovers from any ext4, ext3, ext2, FAT32, FAT16, and FAT12 file system based Linux volumes. Recovers all your lost files, directories, and hard drive volumes. Recovers from all available hard drive types, including SCSI, SATA, EIDE, and IDE. User-friendly interface. No technical expertise required. Free utilities. Smart. Feature that monitors health status of hard drive and issues warning messages intelligently. Drive imaging. Imaging of the entire hard drive, volumes, or any selected region. Hard drive cloning makes an exact replica of the hard drive. Linux deleted file recovery. Quick recovery, advanced recovery, lost or deleted volume recovery allows scanning for specific file types. Mask to narrow scan result provides preview of recoverable files. Find required files and perform selective recovery. Resume recovery from saved image or scan information. Saves recovered files to any location. It allows compressing recovered files. Disk imaging, drive cloning, smart. Deleted files. Recovery. Stellar Linux recovery software efficiently recovers all your accidentally or intentionally deleted files, documents, photos, audios, videos, and other multimedia files. In case of recovering deleted files from FAT file system based volumes, the software provides two different scanning methods, quick scan and deep scan. Deep scan takes relatively more time but yields better chance of file recovery. Quick recovery. With the quick recovery option of the software, you can recover lost data by scanning any volume or previously saved image of the volume. The recovery method is significantly fast and efficient enough to recover almost your data back. Advanced recovery. The advanced recovery option of the software helps recovering all your lost, deleted, or inaccessible data. It is done by performing extensive search operation on the selected volume or its image file. This recovery option is comparatively slower than quick recovery, but ensures more chance of recovering lost files. Deleted volume recovery. This data recovery Linux software provides an innovative option to search and list all lost or deleted volumes in the system. The software finds all ext4, ext3, ext2 FAT file system based volumes which have been completely deleted from the hard drive and allows recovering data from them using quick recovery, advanced recovery, or deleted file recovery method. The software allows you to scan only for the selected file types. Apart from this, the software provides options to add new files to the list, edit an existing file type, and remove file types from the list. Mask to narrow scan result. The mask option of the software helps you to narrow down the entire scan result. Once the scanning process gets completed, you can apply mask on the scan list to create a new tree containing only your required file types. The software provides several masking options, including file of type size from KB and data. Preview of recoverable files. After completion of the scanning operation, this data recovery Linux software ensures recovery chances of files by showing the preview of all recoverable files in the selected volume. You can click a file from the scanned list and preview the same in the upper pane of the interface. With the Find option in Stellar Linux Recovery, you can locate the required files and help performing selective recovery. This option further gives several sub-options to search only your needed files from the huge pool of scanned file list and recover them smoothly. Resume recovery from saved image. The software allows you to save the scan information and resume the recovery operation anytime in future. This wonderful utility provides options to resume the recovery process from any previously saved scan information or image file of the drive. Saves recovered files. Stellar Linux Data Recovery allows you to save the recovered files to any storage media connected to the system. You can save the recovered data onto your local disk or any file transfer protocol server. Conclusion. Thus, we have learnt about acquiring data, duplicating data, and recovering deleted files and the following in detail. Recovering deleted files and deleted partitions, deleting files, recycle bin, data recovery in Linux, recovering deleted files, deleted file recovery tools, recovering deleted partitions, deleted partition recovery tools, data acquisition and duplication.